Organization.
Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kristen Chase. A North Central Florida organization is hosting an event to grow the foster care community. TV20's Alexis Goings tells us how many families they've helped since their beginning.
You will never look back and regret helping a child that needed you.
People with Foster Florida Ocala gives foster families in Marion County tools to create a safe space for children. The organization provides support for more than 800 families with clothes, childcare, and transportation. After children are placed with their foster family, that's when Amy Hill and her team step in.
We help and wrap around those families and supply support. So if you're getting a call at 2 a.m. and you're getting a 2-month-old and a 3-year-old, but you don't have car seats, so you can call us and we'll drop those car seats off to you in the morning.
Foster Florida started in 2015 in Gainesville before opening in Ocala in 2019. More than 300 children are in foster homes. With growing families, Hill says they are opening a bigger space.
And create a bigger network of support for our families and bigger events and more fun stuff. We really want to give the kids opportunities to make positive memories, so when they look back on the time that they had in care, that there's more than just heartbreak.
Hill says she hopes the building will be open by July. Organizers are hosting a village night at 7 p.m. at Meadowbrook Church for anyone interested in providing a safe space for children. In Ocala, Alexis Goings, TV 20 News.